Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Today we are continuing with the third chapter of Business Studies of Class 12 Commerce, that is Business Environment. In our earlier class, we have already discussed about what is the business environment, and we have also started the topic dimensions of business environment. Basically, there are 5 dimensions of business environment which you are seeing: economical, social, political, legal, and technical. In my previous class, we have discussed about economical and social dimensions of business environment. Today, we will discuss political, legal, and technical. So, starting with political dimension, political environment constitutes all the forces related to government affairs, such as type of government in power, attitude of government towards the different group of society, policy changes implemented by different governments. The political environment has immediate and great impact on the business transactions. So businessmen must scan this environment very carefully. The businessman has to take changes in organization according to the changing factors of political environment. Some of the common factor of this environment is Skill India movement started by BJP government, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started by BJP government, political stability, present political system, constitution of the country, government intervention in the business, foreign policy of the government, value and ideology of political parties. Fourth is legal dimension. Legal environment means the management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Therefore, it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government. It includes various law, legislative acts, administrative order, court judgment of central or state or local authority. To work successfully in India, business enterprise must have detail about Company Act, Industrial Act, FEMA, FERA, Factory Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Consumer Protection Act, Competition Act 2002, etc. Legal policies are related to licensing. Statutory warning is essential to be printed on the label. Foreign Exchange Regulation and Management Act, and law to keep a check on advertisement for promotions. Last is technical environment. Technical environment includes forces related to the scientific improvement, research and innovation which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new ways of operating the business. Some of the best examples are given below. Companies has to start it using new ways of advertising such as CD-ROMs, computerized information, kiosk, internet, etc. Second, online sale of grocery item is becoming very common and popular nowadays. Online booking of air tickets, movie tickets. Not only booking, you can see your seat number also. Due to technological advancement, customer can compare the fare price of various airline hotel with the available seats. Fifth, continuing innovation in different scientific and engineering fields such as laser, robotics, biotechnology, food preservations, medicine have provided lots of opportunities and trades for many enterprises. Shifting from vacuum tube technology to transistors. If you remember that this was in the generation of computer. In first, the vacuum tube used and afterwards transistor and ICs were used. So there was a scientific development. Shift from typewriter to word processor. Shift from carbon paper to photocopier machine, Xerox machine. Various innovations, inventions and scientific improvement research, etc. Development in IT sector, technological advantage in computers, new and advanced import and export of technology, and online bookings of tickets, rent, air and movies. So students, today we have completed the topic dimensions of business environment, which comprises of 5 components: economical related to money, social related to society, political related to politics, legal related to law of the land, technical related to the science and research of the country. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.